In this video, you are going to learn how to model, transport, and removal of pollutants in stormwater BMP, assuming all different kind of processes together. So first thing you'll learn about how the pollutants are removed just by when the pollutants are just passing through the systems and when there is reactions. And there are different kind of reactors because you can assume that based on the size and shape and the design, you can assume that a different kind of reactors. And you can use mass balance concept. For instance, here I show you three different examples. So one is a pond and lake. Pond and lake is a semi-open system or closed system in terms of water because water flows here. So most of the water stays inside the system boundary. That means we could have a flow rate coming in, you have a flow rate going out. We can predict how the pollutants are removed. So this is what we call CMFR or completely mixed flow reactors. Then the second kind reactor is basically river or stream or a stormwater pipe. Where water is moving in one direction, there is not a definite boundary. So water is moving, entering in one system and leaving in other system. So this is what we call PFR or plug flow reactor. This is also could be pipe flow. Water is moving in one end and coming. And again, this is completely mixed flow reactor. If you use this concept, you'll be able to solve it. And then we have structural SCM. This is a combination of that. So you can basically create a boundary and you can think that what is coming in, what is leaving the system. So then in this case, you can also use them as a batch reactor or CMFR. With that, let's think of most cases you can describe them as a batch reactor or CMFR reactor. So this is a CMFR or a plug flow reactor PFR. And the difference is that you have a closed boundary, you have a definitive boundary. Here you do not have a clear boundary. So that means one is moving, another is leaving the system. In both cases, flow could be in and out, and there is a reactions that may be happening in other time systems. And here the difference is the reaction happens inside the pond or inside the reactor, not outside when things are flowing. But in this case, the reactor is not defined. That means pollutants are degraded as the water is moving. So these are the assumptions. So with that, let's use mass balance concept to solve these questions.